Seriously? Why would you request this? This is fake. Absolute nonsense. She already has 2K subs. She deserved it rather than you. Your fan base is literally the size of a chicken nugget. She ain't no simp. Sasha Farrakhan ain't no simp. And plus, every single like equals Sasha Farrakhan not being a simp.
Go home and get a job. Me don't give a flying damn fuck. Why are you hiding, friend?
Illigam, Dilligam, and it means, do I look like I give a fuck?
This video is so bad it makes me want to speed the whole entire thing up.
You ungrateful little shit.
Subscribe or Claire's gonna tickle you in your sleep.